So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to test your network security. So first thing is to go to grc.com, and after we will go to services and then shields up, and then we want to click proceed. And then I'll go ahead and click on common ports, and there it shows my computer IP, and here is my TrueStealth analysis results. So it says I achieved a perfect TrueStealth rating, so that any pings that were attempted were ignored by my system. So here it says there's no evidence that a port or any computer exists at this IP address.